If you're a traveller, my advice to you is do not roam on your phone if you've got to pay for it. Do not get a SIM card abroad. Make sure you get an eSIM. Roaming is way too expensive. It can take 2 hours or more to buy a SIM card when you're abroad. You need your passport, you need everybody to be there that's actually going to be using the phone so that they can verify who they are. eSIMs just take a few minutes to do. You do them before you go on holiday, log onto your PC, do a little bit of investigation just to see what the cheapest prices are. Buy them, install them. Probably took about 15 minutes, 20 minutes to do 4 before I came away. All for use in Bali, Indonesia, all 30-day cards, a 30 gig, a 10 gig and 2 5 gigs, 24, 14 and £8 respectively. So remember, if you want to save time and money, ditch the travel SIM card, do not roam, make sure you get eSIMs, get them before you go away, cheap as chips, fantastic.